If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To resize columns in the standard or custom reports in QuickBooks Online after running them, place your mouse pointer at the far right end of the column heading of the report column to resize until your mouse pointer turns into an icon that looks like a vertical line with arrows pointing left and right when in the correct position. At that point, then click and drag either left or right to narrow or widen the column to the left. To reset all a summary report's column widths after changing them if using the classic view, click the Reset Column Width link in the report's upper left corner. Separately, to reset all a detail report's columns, including widths, after changing them if using the classic view, click the Settings button in the report's upper right corner, click the Reset to Default link in the menu, and then click outside the menu to close it. Alternatively, to reset all a report's column widths after changing them if using the modern view, click the Refresh Report link in the report's upper right corner. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.